Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your overwhelming response on the HRM series. So in this particular session, we'll be talking about another important topic, and that's called job analysis. We'll be discussing about meaning of job analysis and the methods it can be done with. Job analysis is the process of studying a job to determine which activities and responsibilities it includes, its relative importance to other jobs, the qualifications necessary for performance of the job, and the conditions under which the work is performed. The purpose of job analysis is to establish what a job entails, including the required knowledge, skills, and abilities, as well as job duties and responsibilities and the conditions of the job. Moving on. Assalamu alaikum. Job analysis methods that are commonly used by the organizations to investigate the demand of a specific job are following: observation method, interview method, questionnaire method. Observation method is basically a method that observes an employee and records all his performed tasks, duties, responsibilities, and skills used by him or her to handle challenges. This is the most difficult method to analyze a specific job. Observation method is This method includes three techniques: work method analysis, study of time and motion, identifying the work behaviors that result in performance. Moving on to our next method that is used for carrying out job analysis is interview method. With this job analysis method, job analysts conduct interviews with incumbents to collect information about their tasks and how they are coping with them. Interviews can be structured and unstructured depending on your corporate culture. The corporate culture of your company, industry, where you are working. Structured interviews follow a systematic approach where employees are interviewed accurately and consistently following a preset format. In a structured interview, you typically see that all interviewees are asked the same questions in the same order. Interviewers record, compare, and evaluate answers against standardized criteria. The interview process remains the same even if the interviewer changes. Thanks to this consistency, structured interviews have a high level of reliability and validity. Unstructured interviews, on the other hand, unravel without a preset structure. The interview process is carried out as a conversation with no specific questions predefined. Nevertheless, the interviewer should make the purpose and focus of the interview clear to the employee. Interviewees may receive different questions or the same questions may be asked in a different order. Interviewers don't always use standardized criteria for recording, comparing, and evaluating answers. The interview process varies depending on the interviewer. but not the least, we'll be discussing questionnaire method. This method is commonly used for job analysis in which we get the questionnaires filled from employees, their superiors and managers. Employees fill out questionnaires to describe their job-related duties and responsibilities. A great care should be taken while framing questions for different grades of employees. It has two formats: structured checklist, open-ended questions. Now we'll be talking about advantages and disadvantages of using questionnaire method. Advantage of using the questionnaire method is quick and efficient way to gather information from large number of employees. Data is used for employees' own good. Now, coming to the disadvantage. One of the disadvantage is it's time consuming to prepare and test the questionnaire. Next, if it is done properly, it is not done properly, it will be a sheer wastage of time, money, and human resources. Now, thank you so much. I hope you understood the lecture and the method of job analysis. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Glam Life, and like my videos, share my videos with your friends and family and students too. And don't forget to subscribe the bell icon. Thank you.